Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create folders in Gmail app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Gmail app. Then hit right here at this three lines icon and scroll down all the way until you find labels. The folders is named labels in Gmail app. And now if you want to create new folder or label, you can just stop right here where it says create new. Then you can just name this folder. I'm just gonna put in 1, 2, 3 for example and hit add save. As you can see, I have just created that folder, and now I can open up my inbox or primary, and from here I can move any emails to any folder. So I'm just gonna tap and hold on some email. I can select multiple emails at the same time, and then you can just hit right here at three dots icon, hit add move, and then select any folder. I'm just gonna select the folder that I have just created, and now it says that 3 emails moved to that folder. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Gmail tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.